The biggest problem that Bengaluru currently faces is with waste management. It has been 2 months past the deadline and the BBMP is still struggling with clearing garbage and segregating waste in the city. Therefore, the governing body has finally decided to join hands with the Swiss company Satarem to get waste segregated on a large scale in Bengaluru. BBMP launched the foundation ceremony for Phase 1 of Bengaluru today. The method used by the Swiss company to segregate waste is indeed impressive, as it uses the waste to generate electricity and manufacture cobble bricks while making Bengaluru cleaner and greener at the same time. The company is confident that the Bengaluru model will sure set an example for other cities in the country.
We are doing it in 3 phases. The first phase doing the compost and segregation. The compost and segregation will do the part of segregating the waste and doing the compost of the organic material. The second phase will be doing the power generation of 14.5 megawatts. Once that is completed with co-combustion technology, we will set up the third plant of 14.5 apart from the first 14.5. The total cost of the project is around 300 crores. This project is coming up in the west of Bangalore, which is to ensure that the Bangalore has a clean and renewable energy apart from clearing the waste.
We receive a waste from BBMP and then we segregate it and then turn it into electricity. This is very needed for a city like Bangalore, given its population growth, but especially its economic growth. Bangalore is the first project for us in waste to energy in India, and this is the reason why it's the most important one, because we want to make this project as a showcase for the rest of the country.